Stage, it's like you got no network coverage at the same time we taking it ever. Cause when you come close to me, I'm gonna give you hip hop fever. Whatever you wanna do it, it's about my endeavor. I talk about Northeast and North, cause racism exists in this place. Whatever you wanna do it, man, I talk about God's grace. That's how we take it, the way that you break it to the moment, you never spit round my head and twist it. I said a lot of things, but I won't hold you missed it. This is the way that I wanna hold the microphone and I kill each and every time. Cause this rhyme just flow out of my mind. It's the way that you wanna do it in front of me, but you guys are blind, so I'm just thinking the way that you make it the moment and never spit rhyme and hit it, quit it, never wanna stand, that's how we beat it. Now we taking the flow in again. Understand with this camera you wanna click my picture again. I understand, so that's how we gotta do it, man. We gotta do it forever. For my fans, I'm taking it clever. I can recite the whole dictionary to the tip of my hand. Whatever you wanna do, I transfer my song to infrared rate. Forget the Bluetooth, whatever you wanna do, man, I gotta stay true. Whatever, understand, but understand, you gotta clean your shoe. That's what I'm talking about. If you guys have no clue, I'm taking it, understand, I gotta stay cool. Cause the truth is, I freestyle it better than most of you. Thank you for having me, thank you, such a